Testle and hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel. So today recipe is Tibetan Shapta. So how to make Tibetan Shapta? Shapta is very popular as Tibetan dish, so it's very delicious also. So I'm going to show you how to make in my style. So let's get started how to make. Cut into small pieces very thinly, like this much. Already cut the beef. See. Now for marinate, what you want to need? I'm going to use 1 teaspoon corn flour, half teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon sake, one egg, just pinch of black pepper, mix well. Minimum is 30 minutes leave it, but today I'm going to leave it for 2-3 hours because I have lots of time, so that's why. So I'm going to. Here my marinade beef is ready. By the way, I use beef meat, so you can use pork also. These two, it's good for Shapta. So now let's get to deep fry this. I'm going to deep fry for 5 to 6 minutes until not come into brown color. Little need the brown color, so it's look like yummy. So leave it for 5 minutes. Now it's done. I'm going to take out the oil. Here it's done. Now what you want to do? Main ingredient, we need the prepared sauce. Very simple. We need the soy sauce, two spoons soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 2 spoon water. Mix well. See how it's simple. Here I already chopped the garlic and chili and green onion leaves. Lots of green onion leaves. I use green onion leaves. You can use capsicum, anything, any vegetable you can use. So first I'm going to add cooking oil. Now first I'm going to add garlic. I'm going to add chili. If you don't like the spicy, you can skip the chili. Now I'm going to add meat. to add sauce. Next, I'm going to add corn flour water. Now it's time to add green onion leaves. Here my shapta is ready. My shapta is ready. So if you like, you can go with little sesame seed. I'm going to add just a little bit sesame seed. Just a little bit, not too much. There you go, it's final result. It's here. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, like and comment and down below. Let me know how it is. So thank you for watching my video and bye bye. Take care.